Okay, recording is done. Started. Okay, yes, it is recorded. Okay. Now I'll go through the PPT. Just 1 second, give me. Okay, can you see the PPT now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is fundamental parameters of antennas. So what we are going to discuss is in this. Just it takes time. 1 second. Okay. So we'll have introduction. These are different topics under this chapter. Introduction, radiation pattern, radiation power density, radiation intensity, beam width, directivity, antenna efficiency, gain, beam efficiency, bandwidth, polarization, input impedance, antenna radiation efficiency, then directivity, then the fixed transmission equation and antenna temperatures. So before going to this, I just want to discuss something about antenna. What is an antenna basically? So antenna is a radiator or a collector of electromagnetic energy. Antenna is basically a radiator or collector of electromagnetic energy. So it can act as both radiator as well as collector of electromagnetic energy simultaneously. It can both receive as well as transmit. Okay. So once. So if you in a communication system, there will be one second, sorry. Give me 2 minutes, just to I. Sir. I wanted to show mark and show. See one thing. Okay, go to next slide. That's how you talk about these things. No, if you want to take pen and I have to draw the pen, you cannot do this. Can't do. No, I was doing it, so now I can't see that. Is it? I'm not doing that. I don't know what to do. I don't do that. No. I create my own slides. Or put them. I wanted to draw and show them actually. Okay. Very bad, sir. Slide is going on? Yeah. Okay. See, I wanted to draw some figures, but I was unable to do it because I didn't get the pen. So I will start straight away explain from the slides. Okay. Chapter 2, fundamental parameters of the antenna. Then, so here you see a spherical coordinate system. Spherical coordinate system. So what you see here at the origin, there is a radiation pattern. Centered around the origin, there is a radiation pattern. And what is you are seeing an elemental area in the spherical coordinate system. Elemental area. So the coordinates of spherical coordinate system are r, theta, and phi. So this elemental area, so you can see there is a element in the theta direction. The elemental angle is d theta. In the phi direction, the element this thing is angle is d phi. So the elemental area is r d theta into r sin theta d phi. So r square sin theta d theta d phi. Okay.
So we cannot see the pointer.
That's what I was not. I'm not getting it in my. I don't know why it is not coming. You can see the cursor movement, no? You can't see the cursor movement.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
So you can understand from this diagram, or I am not able to see the cursor. Sorry, I don't know. I have not tried. It was coming earlier, but now it is not coming. So. So then I think we will cancel this class. I'll be. So next week we will have it. I need to know how to get the cursor on the the highlighter and other things on the screen. So I had tried it out earlier, but it's not coming now. So let us see it in the next week. Okay, let us cancel this class. Okay, is it fine?
No problem, sir.
Okay, sorry. I'm sorry about it.
It's okay, sir. No problem.
It's okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
अरे क्लास खत्म हो गई क्या?
खत्म पैकअप
क्या
तू
हुआ?
बंद कर
सर
ले।
ने क्या बोला?
सर ने कैंसिल कर दिया। सर बोला मैं सीख लूंगा बाद में बताता हूँ। ऐसा ही बोला ना शायद। खत्म है क्लास।
LOL.
ये रिकॉर्डिंग कौन रोकेगा अब?